Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Consumer Sherpa, your #1 source in the home appliance department. Today's list is on the best electric water heaters. After thorough market research, we're happy to present you with the best of the best the current market has to offer. Whether you're looking for an energy-efficient electric water heater or a tankless electric hot water heater, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for all products highlighted in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Steble Ultron Electric Tankless Water Heater. We'll kick off today's rundown with the Steble Ultron Electric Tankless Water Heater. We're looking at one of the most powerful tankless models on the market, capable of delivering a maximum of 7.5 GPM, enough strength to provide water for 4 showers working simultaneously. The device can heat up water at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly above the maximum recommendation of the U.S. Department of Energy for a household water temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The Steble Ultron Tankless Electric Water Heater offers a flow control system that turns on if the required GPM exceeds the capacity of the unit. It'll automatically reduce the water flow if the limit is crossed. The device is equipped with an auto modulation feature to reduce system power consumption. It also offers the possibility of continuous monitoring of inlet water temperature, water flow through the unit, and outlet water temperature. The device sports an integrated system that activates the heating elements in phases to increase efficiency and can maintain a constant outlet temperature even when the flow varies. The Steble Ultron Electric Tankless Water Heater also includes a simple temperature control button with a digital display in the front cover to adjust the desired water temperature. It's also highly effective. Since no system is 100% perfect, a 99% efficiency rating ranks Steble Ultron among the best you can buy. Automatic modulation minimizes water temperature fluctuations and works virtually silently. The model we're looking at is the Tempra 24 Plus at 240 volts. It should be pointed out that a minimum electric voltage of 150 amps is required for operation. The Steble Ultron Electric Tankless Water Heater comes in white. It has the size of 4.6 by 16.6 by 4.5 inches and a lightweight. When this model is considered, users are generally quite satisfied, pointing out that there are no significant objective flaws that need to be highlighted. This wraps up all the key features of this quality electric water heater, so now we can steadily move on to the next one. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. EcoSmart Eco Electric Tankless Water Heater. The next product that manages to enter our top 3 selection for the best electric water heater is the EcoSmart Eco Electric. We're looking at a tankless electric water heater that stands out as one of the most energy-efficient models on the market. It can produce enough hot water to meet the needs of most families. Performance may vary depending on water temperature and weather conditions, but under ideal conditions, the Eco Electric model can pump enough hot water to power 4 showers at once, plus a little more. It's much smaller than a conventional storage water heater, but you may need to reorganize your plumbing or electrician's budget to complete the installation. This EcoSmart unit offers competitive performance with a maximum of 6.5 GPM. This model also comes with a minimum trigger requirement of 0.3 GPM, so you don't have to open the taps at full power to get hot water. Units with less reaction would consume water and electricity used for heating, but this heating level provides optimal control. Like many other flagship devices, EcoSmart uses flow modulation. This ensures optimal energy savings, while making sure that changes in supply temperature or pressure don't affect the hot water output. The maximum temperature this model can reach is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and energy efficiency is 99.8%. With 27 kilowatts, the EcoSmart Eco 27 requires a 240-volt power supply and 3 40-amp circuit breakers. The tankless electric water heater EcoSmart Eco 27 has a digital controller that allows adjustment in 1-step increments. The device offers users the ability to heat up to 3 gallons of water per minute at an inlet temperature of 37 degrees, or up to 6 gallons per minute in warmer climates. As one of the best electric water heaters out there, this model is specially designed to provide users with the best possible durability. It is equipped with components made of stainless steel and copper. It also includes a thermostat with an automatic reset. The EcoSmart Eco features a compact design with overall unit dimensions of 17 by 17 by 3.625 inches. On the other hand, it may require a repair of the water supply because the water outlet and inlet are located at the unit's bottom and not at the top, as is typical for hot water heaters in the tank. All in all, experts and homeowners appreciate it well, and it comes with a long-term warranty. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Rheem Artex 13 Tankless Water Heater. And we'll end our list of the best electric water heaters with Rheem Artex 13 Tankless Water Heater, a top option clearly crafted with energy efficiency as a top priority. In fact, this heater has an energy efficiency of 99.8%. Rheem is a brand that outperforms the competition due to the simple fact that it offers exceptionally good quality. We're looking at a brand that will not leave you disappointed, and the customer feedback clearly demonstrates that. In addition, although it is cheaper than other options, this is one well-equipped product that includes screen options and flexible controls. The exact water temperature will be displayed on the screen. In addition, installation is supremely simple because this water heater uses ordinary threaded connectors and includes all installation accessories. It means you'll not have to buy them individually. The circulation speed of 3.17 GPM is certainly not the best we've seen, but it's still powerful enough to challenge most showerheads available on the market with great ease. And what amount of hot water are we talking about? Some 1 to 1.5 gallons per minute, depending on the temperature of the water. So it's not a full batch, but enough for a shower without fluctuations. Also, the automatic modulation feature guarantees the maintenance of a constant outlet water temperature. One bathroom or kitchen sink or cottage is what Rheem Artex 13 is designed for. It is very efficient, super small and modern, which are also advantages that users really like. The special feature of this tankless unit is that it provides hot water on demand, which minimizes water and energy waste. The digital thermostat with an LED display allows you to adjust the temperature in steps of 1 degree to get the right setting for you. All in all, this is one of the best electric water heaters that'll save you a few dollars with its low price, and we really agree with the users that in this case there are no objective flaws that need to be mentioned. One of the best small electric tankless water heaters, that's for sure. Thank you for watching. That'll be all for now. Check the links in the description for more info for the best electric water heaters. We'll see you in the next clip. Stay safe and have a good one, folks.